Is it time to buy or sell Intel stock? In this video, we will explore Intel in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 14th of March, 2025, and now we aim to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any significant updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. Since the 13th of March, 2025, our system has identified Intel as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 4.53. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 1.48%. This results in an average return of 0.74% each day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a likely continuation of this rise. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 13.74% over the next 3 months, with a possible return varying between negative 5.62% and 34.5%. In terms of the longer outlook, our 12-month analysis reveals a projected change of negative 41.18%. Based on our estimates, the stock's performance could fluctuate from negative 76.92% to negative 36.24% over the next year. In current terms, this would suggest a future price range between $5.55 and $15.34. Our latest daily update for Intel includes the headline: Green Day on Friday for Intel stock after gaining 1.48%. The Intel stock price gained 1.48% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 14th of March, 2025, rising from $23.70 to $24.05. It has now gained for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it can continue this upward trend or take a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated 3.61%, with a low of $23.52 and a high of $24.37. The price has decreased in 7 of the last 10 days, but is still up by 1.35% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 125 million shares, totaling 116 million shares traded for approximately $2.8 billion. It is important to note that falling volume alongside rising prices can signal divergence, which may be an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $45.41, while the lowest was $18.51. Currently, the price is 47.04%, or $21.36, below the 52-week high, and 65.29%, or $45.24, below the all-time high on January 24, 2020, when the price peaked at $69.29. Intel has made headlines recently with the appointment of Lip-Bu Tan as the new chief executive officer, a move seen as pivotal for the beleaguered semiconductor giant. Following a dramatic stock plunge of 60% in the year 2024 and the ousting of former CEO Pat Gelsinger, this change in leadership is generating cautious optimism among investors. Tan's extensive background in semiconductors and venture capital positions him well to navigate Intel's dual challenges of chip manufacturing and design. Shares of Intel surged more than 15% shortly after his announcement, signaling positive market sentiment. Investors are hopeful that Tan will implement necessary cost-cutting measures and focus on improving profit margins as the company trades below its book value. Furthermore, potential collaborations with industry giants like NVIDIA could enhance Intel's strategic position, especially given the increasing importance of semiconductor production in global economies. However, while optimism is building in the short term, it's crucial to recognize that no immediate turnaround is expected. Analysts emphasize that long-term success for Intel will hinge on market share gains in key areas such as artificial intelligence inference and clear guidance from its foundry operations. The overall volatility in tech stocks suggests that while Intel's new leadership could spark recovery, sustainable growth will require consistent performance and strategic execution over time. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 18th of February, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned INTC a neutral grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 31st of January, 2025, it was reported that Cowen & Company assigned INTC a hold grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 2nd of December, 2024, it was reported that Bernstein assigned INTC a market perform grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 17th of October, 2024, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned INTC a sell grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 3rd of October, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned INTC an equal weight grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Intel stock a general sell rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio a strong sell, while the price-to-book ratio is rated as buy. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also give the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Intel. The Intel stock presents buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook. However, there is a general sell signal arising from the relationship between these two indicators, as the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. In the event of downward corrections, there will be support from the levels at $21.36 and $21.83. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was initiated from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, March 11th, 2025, and to date, the stock has appreciated by 21.59%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Despite the rise in prices, trading volume decreased on the last trading day, creating a divergence between volume and price, which could serve as an early warning. Close attention should be paid to this stock. Additionally, some negative signals have also been generated, which may impact its near-term development. Furthermore, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 4 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 21 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 6 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 13 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. Intel finds support from accumulated volume at $23.70. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock is expected to experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. Given the large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to carry a high level of risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 85 cents, which is a movement of 3.61% between its high and low. In the past week, the daily average volatility has been 4.56%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Intel, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through difficult periods, often due to external factors. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 24th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 0.0017. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Intel. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Intel is at $24.13. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, Intel encounters its first support level at $23.70. If this support level holds, it could represent a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Intel from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by David Zinsner, who bought and sold 494,551 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of approximately 69.416. Overall, insiders acquired 2,508,151 shares and sold 456,868 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $23.20, reflecting a decline of 3.52%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, indicating a high level of risk. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 3 days ago. Is Intel stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, coupled with an overall positive trend, indicate that the current levels may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for Intel stock to perform well in the near future. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 17th of March, we anticipate that Intel will open lower by 7 cents and begin trading at $23.98. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.